Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you're someone who prefers a darker theme for better night viewing, or to save battery life, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable dark mode in the Messenger app. Let's get started right away. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Next, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, scroll through the menu and tap on Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Dark Mode option. Finally, tap on Dark Mode and then choose On to enable it. Dark Mode will be applied instantly, giving your Messenger app a darker, more eye-friendly look. That's all for today's tutorial. Dark Mode is now enabled and ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Thanks for watching. Take care.